Good morning, students. My name is Dr. D.Raghu, Ramulu, working as a lecturer in botany, Government College for Women, Kurnool. In our previous class, we discussed about the introduction to biogeochemical cycles. The definition of biogeochemicals is continuous transformation or continuous movement of nutrients from abiotic to biotic things. So these biogeochemicals are three types. One is hydrological cycle, second one is gas cell cycle, third one is sedimentary cycle. First one is hydrological cycle. Hydrological cycles means movement of water from different forms, that is gaseous state, water, that is water vapor, water and ice. So that is the water cycle. Here water, the quantity of water present on the earth is constant, but it transforms from one form to another form. 90% of water is present in the cell sap. Each and every cell is having water, that is 90%. Water is a universal solvent. Most of the chemical compounds are dissolved in water, and most of the biochemical reactions are carried out in the water itself. And minerals and nutrients present in the soil are carried by roots or absorbed by the roots and transported to different parts of the plant. The food materials present or food materials prepared in the leaves are transported through phloem with the help of water into different parts of the plant. That is, the transport of minerals and nutrients is facilitated through water. Controls global temperature. Water controls global temperature. During daytime, water absorbs temperature, that is solar light, solar radiation, and gets warm. And during night, seawater gradually release the heat waves, and these heat waves goes up and again reflected through to the earth surface by the clouds, so that the globe or the earth is having constant temperature even nights also. That is control of global temperature. Water exists in three forms. One is ice, that is solid form, water vapor, that is gaseous form, and water, that is a liquid form. Water in the sea, 13,800 geograms of water is present in the sea, that is as a salt water, that is sea water. 1 geogram is equals to 10 to the power of 20 grams. So huge quantity of water is present in the sea itself. And 167 geograms of water is present in the polar region, that is North Pole and South Pole, in the form of ice. And in the form of water vapor, 0.13 geograms is present in the form of water vapor, that is recycled as a clouds, rainwater again. So that is 0.13 geograms. For available fresh water on the land, that is either groundwater or rivers or lakes, the total amount of fresh water present on the land is only 0.1%, the value of water. So we should not waste water, because available fresh water on the land is very, very low, that is 0.1%. So we should not waste water. Water is very precious. Here, this is the diagram of water cycle, that is hydrological cycle. This is sea. During daytime, but due to the solar radiation, water gets in form of water vapor. When water vapor goes to high elevation, so they converted or they transform to clouds. When clouds receive cold winds, the water vapor present in the clouds, they get condensed, and we can observe the precipitation. So this precipitation, some water goes to lower part of the earth, that is due to gravitational force. Some water retain in the soil, some amount of water flows in the form of river streams. Again, the water reach to the sea, so that the sea level almost is constant, because the amount of water lost in the form of vapor again retain in the form of reverse. So the water on the earth is constant, but it transforms from one form to another form. Here, all the plants, they absorb water through roots, and most of the water, 98% of water absorbed by the roots is they lost in the form of water vapor, in the form of transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water vapor through the stomata is called transpiration. Movement of water in the form of water vapor through the stomata is called transpiration. This transpiration is a very essential for plants. The maximum amount of water is going to be lost in the form of transpiration, but it is very essential. So transpiration yield is called the essential evil. Most of the nutrients present in the soil, minerals or organic substance, they are absorbed by the roots through the water medium only, and also by the transpiration. Transpiration helps or prevents the sunstroke, or they prevent the leaf from desiccation due to the heat stroke. So that this is the hydrological cycle or water cycle. The total amount of water present on the earth is constant. We can't observe the rise in water level or fall in water level, but the level is constant, but it transforms to one form to another form. Thank you.